Is your Face ID and passcode setting not showing or missing on your iPhone? Don't worry, follow this easy guideline to fix the problem and get back to your Face ID and passcode settings. So, let's get started. Solution 1. Restart your iPhone. Give a simple restart to your iPhone. Often, only giving a simple restart on the iPhone can solve minor software bugs and glitches. After that, check your issue. Solution 2. Update iOS. Make sure your iPhone is up to date and with the latest iOS. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, tap Software Update. Now if you find any updates, then please update your iPhone. Solution 2. Turn off content and privacy restrictions. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Screen Time, scroll down again, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now turn off content and privacy restrictions. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Reset all settings. Tap Reset all settings again. I hope one of these processes will fix the problem. If you find this video useful, then please like our video and subscribe to our channel. And as always, thanks for watching.